What is it about shame that you thought was important to do this? Like, why do this?
Why do this? I think the mission of the Nocturnists, the organization, definitely parallels the mission and the journey of Emily Silverman. And we were talking a little bit about this offline, like the creator, whatever they're making or doing, like there is kind of an internal process that's reflected there. And so for me, a lot of this, honestly, is me just trying to understand myself and my own journey.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
So that's part of it. But I think there are just so many people out there who are like me. Like I look around internal medicine, surgery, and I see myself mirrored in those people so much.
Yeah.
And there's actually like this deep and abiding radical love that I feel and that I have for physicians.
Yes.
For all our flaws.
Yes.
Like, and maybe that love that I feel for doctors is sort of like the projection of the love that I want to have for myself, but can't, because we all like hate ourselves, right?
Yes.
So,
yes.
Like, by loving them, I can love myself. And so I see how driven we are, how motivated we are, how much we really truly care about our patients and their outcomes and their stories and wanting to help. I see this grit, this determination, this ability to weather, vicissitudes of whatever, whether it's like a clinical disaster or just the shittiness of what the hospital is. Like there's just, and then of course there's the ignorance, arrogance paradox that we have. There's the ego. There's the way that we shy away from uncertainty. There's the way that we retreat into materialism and deny the existence of any sort of mysticism or mystery, the way that threatens us and how scary that is to us. All of that, I feel this outpouring love for this community. And so I think part of what I'm doing when I'm making the Nocturnists is like just wanting to serve that community and also wanting to give them a forum and an outlet to express themselves, and then maybe also have that be a mirror where they can do that and then look back at themselves and sort of be like, all right, like, who are we? Just like you said, who are we? Who are we and who do we want to be? And like, what is that delta and what direction should we be moving in as a profession? And I think that mirrors like, well, what direction do I want to be moving in as an individual?
You so beautifully articulated, you embodied just then what it is that I feel like I'm trying to do too. And I've never heard it embodied in that way. Like that's it. That's what it is.